Mag-uumay. How? Hey? Oh, look. Flying time. Egg yolk. I'll close your cage, para hindi ka maano. Where are you going, the three of you? Egg yolk is so behaved inside. Oh, fly. Be careful. Be careful. Very good. Oh, one more lap. Come on. One more lap. Before you sleep. Come on. Before you sleep. Come on. One more fly. Come on. Please. One more lap. Then, it's done. You have to go inside and sleep. Okay? Egg yolk is gonna sleep now. That's why. Oh, the three of you are out. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, one more fly. You want to fly before you sleep? We're gonna sleep already, okay? What? They're gonna sleep. Oh. Oh, one more fly. Careful. Wow. Very good. How about you, Blueberry? Egg yolk, you're gonna sleep now, okay? Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh, one more fly. Okay, then you have to take a rest. Oh, okay, careful. Very good. How about you, Blueberry? You're so lazy now, huh? Mommy's gonna give you a treat. Oh no, you're gonna sleep already. Good night. Come on, good night. Good night. You're gonna sleep now. Come on. You're gonna sleep. Oh, one more. Careful. Good job. Blueberry, you're so lazy. Okay, sleep, Okay. I'm gonna bring you back to your home, to your room. Good night. Come on, one more fly, one more. Come on, one more fly. Come on, one more fly. Come on. What's that? What's the knock? Somebody's knocking. Who's that? What? Okay. Good night, egg yolk. Good night. Okay, sleep, Okay. Sleep. Sleep. Oh, one more fly. Okay. Oh.